Welcome to Pydle Day 148. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is Spider-Man. So have a look how that compares to an image of Spider-Man. Let me know in the comments what you think. Okay, so as usual, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle to give you just some hints how to solve Pydle. So if you're new to Pydle, you just want a tutorial how to solve Pydle, then stick around as I will now solve yesterday's Pydle, which was Steve from Minecraft. Okay, so Steve is symmetrical around the y-axis, so we're going to use Cartesian coordinates for x. So we're going to go from -2 to 3, and that is exclusive, so it's going to go -2 to +2. But y, we're just going to stick with Pydle coordinates. Okay, the first pixels we're going to tackle. So a good strategy is normally to leave the color with the most pixels till last for like the final else statement. It works in quite a few situations. Now it's probably pretty even between orange and brown. Probably have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So yeah, brown is definitely more than orange. So let's go for the oranges. So the first easy if statements would be the two on the verticals. So that would be if absolute value of x equals 2 and y greater than 1. Let's just slowly build it up. Let's run that. And I make this mistake often, so we need to convert back to Pydle coordinates. Okay, so that is correct for that. And then the top part is kind of brown. Say all y equals 1 and absolute value of x is less than 2. Okay, so that part, and then we've got the single pixel also need to cover, so or so x is 0 there, so x equals y is 2. So say x equals y minus 2 equals 0. That's just a compact way of writing that in Python. Okay, so we've got the orange pixel sorted. Now we're going to do the blues and the red together. The aleph, get the blues, absolute value of x equals y is 2, so and x equals absolute value of x equals 1, so we need to say equals y minus 1 equals 1. Let's do that to start with. Kind of just slowly build it up. Let's make that blue. Okay, we've got the eyes. And then we're going to say or x equals, so x is 0 there, y is 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, x equals y minus 3 equals 0. Okay, I'm going to color that one blue. We do now need to do something special there. So blue, if y equals 2, else red. Okay, that should cover that. Okay, now it's got black hair and a black beard, so we need to do all the remaining pixels, and let's just copy that statement over there. Okay, and that needs to be brown. Okay, so let's run that. Okay, and that solves the Pydle, and you get a nice kind of emoji sequence you can paste in any social media you want. You can also see the character count, so 198 out of 250, that's quite a lot, but it's quite a complicated one. Okay, hopefully you had fun solving this Pydle, so have a go yourself if you need to Pydle and want some practice. But do go and solve today's Pydle, which is Spider-Man. I'll see you again tomorrow.